Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new method to get Delta Executor running on both iOS and Android devices. As you can see right here on my iPhone, I already have it, and it works flawlessly. And here's the best part. It doesn't require any keys, so you can use it right away. Getting this set up is super easy, because all you need to do is just watch this video and follow every step. Trust me, by the time we're done, you will have Delta Executor on your own device. So, let's get into the tutorial. Quick heads up before we jump in. If you're on an iPhone, there's two quick settings you gotta tweak first. Android users can skip past this part. Open your settings, hit General, and make sure Background App Refresh is turned on for Wi-Fi, or both Wi-Fi and cellular. It just keeps the app from getting stuck when you switch away. Then go into Battery and turn off Low Power Mode. It throttles performance, and we definitely don't want that dragging things down. Once that's set, grab your browser and head over to delta-install.com. You can search for it on Google or type it directly into your browser. That's where you'll find the Delta Executor. You'll see a quick overview of what Delta does and the download button. Make sure you pick the right version for your device, iOS or Android. Depending on how fast your connection is, it might take a sec to pull down, but once it finishes, you'll get a confirmation message telling you to check your home screen. If this is your first time using the site, don't worry. All you need to do is finish two quick sponsor tasks. These are 100% free, require zero payments, and there's absolutely nothing shady or sketchy about them. The process is pretty dead simple. You'll typically just download a free app and open it, jump into a lightweight game to hit a quick milestone, or test out a small tool for a few minutes. Knocking out both usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes total, but it's 100% worth it. This is exactly what verifies your device and actually unlocks Delta Executor, so it functions properly. Once you're done, head back to the site, or just check your home screen, and your device will automatically trigger the Delta Executor installation. Within seconds, it'll properly set up and be ready to launch. No extra steps, no waiting around. Finish those two tasks, give it a moment to sync, and that's literally it. If this saved you some time or headache, drop a like, leave a comment letting me know if it worked for you, and subscribe. I'm posting more guides like this all the time. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.